What is she doing here? I don't understand. Last time you went out with her, you said she was a big dull dud.
Well, I think I judged her too quickly. And this time, we were able to take the relationship to the next level.
Well, last time, I almost got fired. You must end it. You must end it now.
Oh, come on. It's not like this is an everyday occurrence for me. I mean, usually I'm pretty much just in there by myself.
Chandler! Promise me you will end it.
Okay. I promise I'll end it.
Thank you.
But I hope you know what I'm giving up for you. Because she's not just the boss in your office. You know what I mean?